To start a tour run, your company may require you to be scheduled or clocked into your shift first. Now, on the main screen, tap on Patrol and Tour Runs. Click the Get Started button. The system will display a list of all available checkpoints to be scanned. By default, when starting a tour run, all checkpoints will have a status of Not Scanned. Tap on the Start Tour Run button. Once you start, the dashboard section at the top of the screen will display useful information, such as the start time and the duration it took you to complete the tour run. Tap on the checkpoint you'd like to begin with. Press the Scan button located at the bottom of the screen. Scan the QR code or NFC tag located at the selected checkpoint. If your company has added specific instructions or notes for the checkpoint, ensure you read them carefully. Additionally, your company may request you to answer specific questions or attach photos related to the checkpoint. Begin answering all required fields for the checkpoint. Once all required information is filled out, tap the Finish and Continue button. The app will return to the list of checkpoints. The checkpoint you just completed will now show a status of Completed. Continue scanning the remaining checkpoints. Once you've scanned all checkpoints, the app will navigate back to the main tour screen. Here, you can view a summary of all tour runs completed during your shift. You can perform another tour run according to the schedule and frequency set by your company.